So this is a video of our generator housing for our Escape travel trailer. We bought this aluminum lightweight hitch rack at Harbor Freight for about $60–70, and this diamond tread toolbox from Lowe's. And if you open it up, you can see we've lined it with Dynamat to try to cut down on resonant noise. We've installed two HVAC vents to let the air in and out, and installed a 12-volt radiator fan from eBay, which then plugs into the 12-volt output of the generator. And there are two plugs going to the generator. One goes to this courtesy outlet outside, and the other then goes to a wire which is attached to the bumper and goes into a plug adapter from Camper World into the camper. You'll also notice these things here. These are StoveTop FireStop fire preventers, and you can see we extended the exhaust. And I have to move the truck, I think. So we had somebody weld a piece of pipe on the exhaust, and we added some pipe and a muffler out of a Briggs & Stratton engine. Cut a hole in the side for that, and we'll try starting it up and see how it works. So we have the air conditioning set on fan low at 62, and it's blowing cold air. So the generator will run. When it first starts up, it draws a lot of current. So we tend to run the generator, set it very low so the generator doesn't cycle on and off. It's a little loud when the generator is running. A lot quieter, about 3 to 5 dB quieter with the case closed. I have a temperature sensor in there, and we're monitoring the temperature. So you get a little bit of exhaust noise over here. The temperature seems to max out at 100 degrees. Open it up and take a look. A lot louder with the thing open than closed. So there it is. We can run the air conditioner going down the road, or if we're parked at a Walmart or at a Harvest House, and hopefully not annoy too many people.